Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you, is it possible to downgrade iOS 16 to 15 without using PC? Now, there are a lot of tutorials that will basically say that you can downgrade iOS 16 to 15 without using PC or a laptop. So that's actually not possible, right? So is it possible to downgrade iOS 16 without a computer? It's not possible, definitely. Now, as you can see, the answer to this question is no. You cannot downgrade iOS 16 without using a computer. Another most relevant question to ask is if you can downgrade iOS without iTunes, right? So it's important to note that while you don't necessarily have to use iTunes to downgrade the version of iOS you're running, but you do need to use a computer or a laptop, right? Because you need that in order to actually go and downgrade, right? iOS 16 to 15. So what to do before downgrading? Make sure to back up device. Make sure to obviously charge the device. Have enough storage space right here. Disable Find My iPhone, and then you'll be able to do that. Now, obviously, you can do that with a lot of tools. But here, this blog website is highly recommending to downgrade iOS with iToolab Fix Go without losing any data, right? So that's basically the question: how to downgrade iOS 16 to 15 without PC. You actually can't do it, but you can do it with your laptop, which is, I would say, a bonus. But yeah, you can't really do it. Don't listen to other tutorials out there. I'm just trying to help you to understand that you can't actually downgrade without using PC. So that's basically the question and the answer to the question. I hope you still find this video useful. Leave a like if you did, and subscribe to our channel for more iOS 16 and iPhone features and tips. Thank you guys for watching.